Yeah.
It's just what you wanted. That's right.
I don't know how to use chopsticks. I'm excited to try this boba. I got a chopstick. And this boba is really amazing.
You got the strawberry boba with popping.
I got a chopstick.
Nice. You can use your fingers if you don't want to use the chopsticks.
That one? Yeah, I'll do it.
His red wok. Todd's got his bang bang shrimp and his chicken fingers. Sarah, sushi roll. Which roll did you get?
Crunchy Philly, I think.
Yeah, and then hot stickers, dumplings. Cambria, finishing up that baked ziti.
And I ate all this fries.
Yeah, a spring roll and a schwarma.
Heck yeah.